If you've been hiding your toes or avoiding the salon because of stubborn nail fungus, you're not alone. Thousands struggled until they found the VitaCare Nail Care Pen. This powerful little pen is changing lives with a science-backed formula that targets fungal infections at the root. No gimmicks, no empty promises, just results. Swipe it on twice a day and watch as brittle, discolored nails transform into stronger, healthier ones, often in just weeks. It's discreet, easy to use, and backed by a 1-year satisfaction guarantee. Start with our best-selling 3-pack and take the first step toward nails you'll love to show off. VitaCare Nail Care Pen. Real science, real change.